Welcome back to Green Haven Organics. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of organic gardening: pest control. Maintaining a healthy garden without using harmful chemicals is not only possible but also beneficial for your plants, your health, and the environment. Let's dive into some effective organic pest control methods that you can start using today. Organic pest control involves using natural methods to manage and eliminate pests. These methods are safe for your plants and the ecosystem. Let's explore some of the most effective organic pest control strategies. First up is companion planting. Certain plants can deter pests naturally when planted together. For example, marigolds repel nematodes and aphids, while basil can ward off mosquitoes and flies. Marigolds, basil, nasturtiums, chives, garlic. Another effective method is introducing natural predators into your garden. Beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory beetles can help keep pest populations under control. Ladybugs, lacewings, predatory beetles. Next, let's look at homemade pest sprays. These are easy to make and use ingredients you probably already have at home. Here are 2 simple recipes. First one, neem oil spray. Mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil, 1 teaspoon of mild soap, and 1 quart of water. Spray on affected plants. And the second one is garlic pepper spray. Blend 10 cloves of garlic and 1 hot pepper with 1 quart of water. Strain and spray on plants. Physical barriers can also be very effective in protecting your plants. Use row covers, netting, or even homemade traps to keep pests away from your crops. Row covers, netting, homemade traps. Healthy soil practices play a crucial role in preventing pest infestations. Ensure your soil is rich in organic matter and well-drained to promote strong, healthy plants that can resist pests naturally. Add compost regularly. Rotate crops annually. Avoid overwatering. Growler monitoring and maintenance are key to effective pest control. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests and take immediate action if you spot any problems. Early intervention can prevent a minor issue from becoming a major infestation. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these organic pest control methods help you keep your garden healthy and thriving. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Green Haven Organics, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Comment below with your favorite pest control tips or any questions you have. Happy gardening!